Whoa! Hey guys, so this is the Infinix X3 43-inch TV. There is also a 32-inch version of this TV, but in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the 43-inch version. I'm going to be telling you guys everything there is to know about this TV and finding out if you should buy it. So stick around and let's get to it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. If you buy this TV now, this is the box it will come in. So first, inside the box, we get a transparent bag that carries the accessories of the TV. Keep that to the side for now. Next, we get the TV. The power cord is attached to the TV. So inside that transparent bag, like I said earlier, we get the TV accessories. First, we get the warranty card, the TV manual, the TV stand, and the screws for screwing them on. Lastly, we get the remote control. It's lightweight and honestly, it feels cheap. More on the remote later. Let's first screw on the stand for the TV. You want to make sure you are screwing on the stand correctly. So R is for right and L is for left. And do make sure it's tight enough. Anyway, this is what your TV should look like once you're done screwing on the stand. Now it took me about 5 minutes to set up the TV for the first time. So that's connecting to Wi-Fi, choosing my region, all that stuff. Now let's take a look at the ports. They are located at the back, so most of them are at the bottom, the other ones are at the side. So at the bottom we get the digital audio port, the LAN port, antenna port, the satellite port, YPBR port, that's for video, the AV port, and the HDMI ports. To the side we get the headphone jack, 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI ports. The TV is made out of polycarbonate and I like how thin the bezels are, really thin. At the bottom center of the TV is the Infinix logo and right under it is the power button. The TV has 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. You only get 4.3 gigs of usable space, but you can make use of a USB drive to add to the storage if you want to install a ton of apps. The Infinix X3 is running Android 11, pretty clean software and it's easy to use. YouTube and Netflix are pre-installed, but you can install more apps from the Play Store. So the remote is quite simple. It is small, lightweight, and actually it feels kinda cheap. We can take off the cover at the back of the remote to insert the batteries. We get Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play dedicated buttons. The Google Assistant button is at the top, and right above it is the microphone for voice control. So yes, you can speak into the remote to talk to your TV. Who is UD Shoots? Like I mentioned at the start of this video, this is the 43-inch version of the Infinix X3 TV. It has a 1080p LCD display with 400 nits of peak brightness, and watching content on this TV is just okay. The display on the TV isn't incredible or anything, it's just okay. I wish the display was better than this, honestly. Content on the TV is actually well saturated and contrast is high, it's really nice. But in the TV settings, I couldn't find a way to change those display settings like brightness, contrast, and the rest. We get Dolby Audio and the sound quality is actually pretty good. Here's a quick demo. Gaming on the TV is also good. You can connect your console to the TV or like me, connect your laptop using the HDMI port and enjoy gaming. There is also a game mode on the TV, so I guess that does help to improve the gaming performance. So yeah, gaming is fine. And of course, you should know that it's 60Hz. I don't know why I just said that, like anyone is expecting a 120Hz display for a TV in this price bracket. The Infinix X3 43-inch TV will cost... Actually, I don't know the exact price, but in India, this TV costs 22,000 rupees, which translates to 120,000 naira. So I'm expecting this TV to be priced between 120,000 naira to 130,000 naira. And that's not bad for a 43-inch smart TV. I think Infinix did a decent job. So if you want a smaller TV, you can check out the Infinix X1 32-inch TV, which is actually more affordable. You can click on the icon somewhere here to check out that video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Judy, this is Judy Shoes, and you'll see me in my next